we'll guide you through how to effectively use ClickUp icons to enhance your project management workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop browser and log into your account. ClickUp icons are a powerful tool to visually organize and navigate your tasks. To start using them, go to the sidebar and click on the task or project where you want to add an icon. Once inside the task, look for the icon toolbar, usually located at the top of the task window. This is where you can add or change icons. Click on the icon button, and a drop-down menu with various options will appear. You can choose from a wide range of default icons or upload a custom one if you prefer. Selecting a relevant icon helps in quickly identifying the task at a glance. If you want to customize even further, you can assign different colors to the icons, which can be done by selecting the color palette option in the same drop-down menu. This is particularly useful for color-coding tasks by priority or project category. Icons not only make your workspace visually appealing but also improve efficiency by making it easier to distinguish between different tasks and projects. Once you've selected your icon and color, simply click outside the drop-down to save your choice. You can always change the icon later if needed. Using icons consistently across your projects can significantly streamline your workflow and improve team collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.